People who clearly weren't the favorite child, how did that affect you? I am the middle child between two sisters, each approximately a year apart from me. My mother always preferred girls over boys and would always treat me as if I were in the wrong. This went so far that even when she caught my sisters doing something wrong, she would punish me instead. She ended up kicking me out of the house when I was 10 years old. She called one of her ex-husbands, not my father, and someone she had a rather nasty divorce with, and told him that if he didn't come and take me in, she would put me into a boy's home. So this man changed his life and moved from several states away to take me in for a few months. After that, I was bounced from house to house until I eventually found a semi-permanent residence with one of my aunts.